Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and hope you're having a great weekend so far. And welcome to this new update on Bitcoin. A little bit about today. We had some bullish moves yesterday, which is good. I'm actually not sure what really caused that. Perhaps some bullish expectations for next week. I'm not sure. I mean, right now the volume is actually decent. Like these moves are all institutional buys, right? Institutional purchases, because it's a lot of volume in a very small period of time. And yesterday the volume was already decreasing, as it always does in the weekend. So then it also brings some some price movement with it as well. So that happened. Yeah, I mean, technically we're going to be talking about that a little bit more in this video, and I'll also tell you about next week and just everything I expect at least. But right now, I mean, we're just in the consolidation range again, or in a consolidation market structure. Because right now, the best argument you can make is that we're in this consolidation, right? So between 27,400 up here and to the bottom here at 26,200, and we had one fake out, but that was it. So yeah, we're going to be talking about whether it's actually possible to break out of that, perhaps to the upside, which would be crazy perhaps, but still. But yeah, we'll talk about that. And before we get into that though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. But now onto Bitcoin. So like I said, technically it's clear to me. I mean, technically I would say right now we're nearing a major resistance again. The 382 fib of this move down, the 200 EMA, normal key level, it's strong. I don't think necessarily we're going to break through that. I do think there's a possibility. So perhaps it's the best to talk about why I think there's a possibility. After, like for example, last week was again a week that points towards more inflation, which is often very bad for Bitcoin and for crypto in general. So the one reason why I actually do expect perhaps only short-term bullish momentum, or at least why I think it's possible, is because May is ending. May is historically a very bearish month for crypto. And the end of the month, I mean, there's always institutional traders who trade per month, right? So they open their orders at the beginning of the month and they close them at the end. And institutional traders usually win. And if we take a look at May, well, what would they have shorted or would they have longed? Probably shorted, right? And if they're closing all their shorts, that could actually cause some bullish momentum, some sort of an influx. Perhaps they already closed some here in the middle as well. That could very well be, but still. Now, having said that, even though there's that possibility, I mean, in the end, if we take a look at the broader macro economic environment around crypto, especially in the US, the dollar strength index is very strong. It's nearing some major resistance levels, but it's not there yet. So it's still more likely, I think, that this is just a consolidation and this is short-term bullish momentum. Now, all of that can be summarized by just taking a look at the chart. The main thing we would need to know right now is, first of all, I think right now we're at the very bottom of the key level we're trying to break at 27,250. I think we can get up to 27,400. I think we'll be testing that, but I do think from there we'll find resistance. Now, the only way in which we could actually break above that today or tomorrow, because Sunday to Monday kind of is a day where that's possible. It's the beginning of the week, new positions are opened, that type of stuff. But if we actually want to see that bullish breakout after that resistance, we would need to hold 27,000. The psychological support level, we would need to hold it. Also houses the 100 EMA. So if we break above that and we hold that level, we're also confirming that we're trending a bit, right? By holding the 100 EMA. So if we can do that, if we can find support and actually stay in that area for a while, like a day, then I think we can break above that and actually get all the way up to 27,800 and 28,000 perhaps. However, I do have to say, even though I think this is realistic, I think it has like a 25-30% chance. I still think it's more likely that we'll just drop down from here down to this level right here at 26,700 and 26,600. And from there, we'll see again. One thing is for sure, I will keep you updated. So for now, this is my take on Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and bye.